Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to submit a claim in Geeschool. First, log into your Geeschool account using your unique username and password. Once logged in, locate the main dashboard. From there, you'll find a clear navigation menu. Click on the Claims section to proceed. Finally, select the Create New Claim button to initiate your submission. This ensures you start the process correctly and efficiently. Now, carefully enter all the necessary information for your claim. This includes dates, amounts, and a brief description of the claim. Accuracy is crucial here to avoid delays. Next, you'll need to upload any supporting documents. These could be receipts, invoices, or other relevant files. Make sure these are in a common format, like PDF, and are clear. Double-check that all attachments are legible before moving on. Before you finalize your claim, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you've entered. Check for any typos, incorrect dates, or missing details. It's also important to confirm that every necessary document has been successfully attached. Once you are confident everything is accurate and complete, click the Submit Claim button. This action will send your claim for processing. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation message, usually with a unique claim reference number. Keep this number handy for future inquiries. You can easily track the status of your claim directly within the Geeschool portal, so you'll always know its progress. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. We hope this guide helps you confidently submit your claims.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.